How to get $100 Home Depot promo code. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. First and foremost, launch a browser that you prefer. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Home Depot promo code. You'll find various of websites dealing with Home Depot promo code. You can select any of the website to get access to your Home Depot promo code. However, make sure that the website is legitimate. For the sake of this video, I'll be selecting one from Times Magazine right here. Now you'll be redirected to the Home Depot promo code from the designated website. In here, you'll find various of deals, coupons, and offers to you. To get access to one of these, all you have to do is select the option of Show Coupon at the side of the coupon. When you tap on Show Coupon, it will display a coupon that you can easily copy. Tap on View Discount at the Home Depot to redeem, for instance. To redeem your promo code, all you have to do is visit your Home Depot webpage. To redeem it, purchase an item from the Home Depot website. While you are checking out and paying for your purchase, make sure to enter the promo code in the promo code box given to you. You will see substantial discount in your grand total. And that's it for this video as well. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to us.